spring, so they should be adding lots of honey very fast. But the frame that we drained a couple of weeks ago isn't filling up particularly fast, although there are lots of bees there. Yeah, so I'm not sure why that is. I have a suspicion that maybe they have swarmed and maybe half the bees have gone somewhere else. Or maybe they've whiff of insecticide being sprayed around because it's spring, so other people will be no doubt spraying insecticide around. Yeah. But yeah, it looks like fewer bees than there were just a couple of weeks ago. So it might be swarm, might be pesticide. So some bees are crawling on the ground, and yeah, they seem to struggle to fly. There are no varroa mites in Queensland, supposedly, and yeah, I had a good look at all these ones on the ground, and you don't see the little reddish varroa mites on them, so I don't think that's it. So that means the most likely explanation is they've had a dose of pesticide somewhere. So bees travel several kilometres away from their hive, and this is spring here, so maybe people are spraying bug spray on around the place. And, you know, the wind blows the bug spray, and maybe the bees got a bit of a dose of it. Yeah, so it's not like they're drunk or anything. They're crawling pretty deliberately, and yeah, they don't have the red mite. Yeah, so the tray at the bottom, the idea is you put oil in it, and any pests that the bees push out the bottom, they drown in the oil. So you can see a peppering of holes. Those little black dots are hive beetles. There's not very many. Watch out, bee. And yeah, some sort of creature has nibbled. It's only plastic, and they've just nibbled a hole, so the oil's drained out in some of these. So I'll probably have to put, I don't know, a piece of metal or something underneath to stop that.